Hey guys, it's Olivia, and today I'm going to do a slime opening package. I've been really excited to open this, and I got it from Etsy, the Etsy shop. And I had to cross out my address because,
It's a live video link.
so let's get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it. I need some scissors. I'll be right back.
I have to do it too. No. I have to do it too. Why are you cutting it?
Okay. That's just my brother in there.
They can't hear him.
Okay, come closer so we can see more.
They can see it.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm videoing.
Okay, so. Whoa, it looks like that. Okay, first let's look at the receipt. Alright, so. 1 green flark slime, $3.56. That's how much it was. 1 pink swirl squishy, $2.46. Rubik's Cube, $1.96. And a small green slime, which was $2.48. And the total of that was $11.46 plus tax. So yeah. And that has some free extras. So we'll see what the extras are. Here comes my brother.
Okay.
Okay, so first I'm gonna open the flark slime. I like this slime. So that's this slime. And so let's go on to the next.
I'll just do the double thing.
Okay. I guess it is flark.
That's really slime though.
Okay. So no, you cannot get any of this stuff. So next I'm going to open or get the pink swirl squishy. It's called a sweet swirl. It also says that it's scented, so I'm about to smell it. I'm going to put this stuff back in there so it. So, can you come closer to it? Oh, yeah.
There's our little brother. How cute is he?
Okay.
Want to smell it, guys?
It smells so good. I want to like give it to smell it. Okay, let's go to the next.
Our little brother.
You want to touch it? Want to touch it? I mean, I guess I could let him play with it. Okay, I'm gonna open the next thing, which is a Rubik's Cube. one more thing that I bought, which was the small green slime.
Hair bows.
I know, I got extras for free too. This is kind of bad, I mean, I guess, but it said that it glows in the dark. I mean, I guess we could try it. I mean, it's light. It's like day right now, but
Yeah.
But at the end of the video, we'll show and see how good it glows in the dark in like my room or something.
Don't let Papa get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Are we doing it? Am I doing it?
in the next video. Okay. So, this is the last thing I got, and it's extras. So it also said what I got in the extras in here. Okay, so I got hair ties, hair bows, string. I don't know why I got string, but okay. So let's see. I got these hair ties. So yeah, I got those. I got 2 of these hair poofy ones. Don't turn it, because then they'll have to turn it. And then I got this hair bow. I'm not a fan about hair bows, but. And I got some string. Yay, so excited for string. So yeah, I'll put this stuff back in there. And so that's the extras I got, and that's what I got. So I'll just go over a review. I just did the extras, and then I got Rubik's Cube, then the green slime. Whoa. I got small slime and that's it really. So now I said I was gonna do show it glowing. So I'll do that now.
And the trick is to hold it up to the light.
Yeah. So
Let's go.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in my room. It's kind of messy,
So don't blame her. Well, actually blame her.
So I'm gonna hold this slime up to the light. Look. For a minute, like, I'll take it out. So, okay, so go turn off the light, and I'll hold the phone. Let me see it. Give me the phone.
So it
Oh,
should
it's glowing. I don't know if they can tell.
glowing.
Wait.
So
Okay, so I said for me to hold the phone. Okay, go turn the light on again. We're gonna try this again, I guess. I just hold it by the lights and then. Okay, let's go turn the lights off. Oh, this is. Well, it actually kind of is glowing. A tiny bit, but not really. But anyway, bye. And
bye.
She's my camera person. And yeah. So, bye everybody. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh yeah.
And the next video is gonna be me opening
her slime opening. But I have one thing to tell you. I have another channel. Another YouTube channel, and it's called Olivia Cowart. ALIVIA.
Say the last name.
COWART.
I'm telling on you. But bye, guys.